Alright guys, I finally got my Ricoh MPC3003 back up and running. I had a pretty major drive failure, but it was totally worth the effort. I love this machine because it works brilliantly with cheap third-party chemical toners. They cost pennies, and the quality? Absolutely zero issues. I know for a fact that this specific model runs beautifully on chemical toners. To be honest, all of my copiers out in the field and at client sites are running on these, and they've been fantastic. Since I service these machines myself, the last thing I want is trouble, which is exactly why I chose these specific third-party toners. The machine stays perfectly clean. No dusting, no ghosting issues at all. However, a few days ago I had a long chat with one of my viewers who's apparently having some issues with his machine. So today, I'm going to share my own configuration settings with you. We'll print out the SMC report to look at all the parameters. And my top recommendation is to bump up the temperature by 10 degrees to make the machine run flawlessly. You can find the fuser temperature settings right there on the second page of the printout. What we're looking for is SP mode, 1105. This is where we need to bump up the first few sub-items by 10 degrees. This tweak guarantees that the toner fuses perfectly with the paper, and you can say goodbye to any ghosting or offset issues. Now, the SMC report itself is insanely long, so I won't go flipping through the whole thing right now. But if your machine is acting up and you want to mirror my settings point by point, just let me know in the comments below. I'll happily drop you the file with my full configuration to compare. Hopefully this gets your gear back up and running.